umuke isiqoko kuma kumakarapa amataconsele ejebeni ilephu. Lana siniphathele uhambo lukaMengameli uJacob Zuma lwaseGhana ukusuka nokuhlala kwalo uhambo la beyohlangana khona wokuqala ufike khona wayebukhosini bakhona bekumemile emgubheni wakhona. Here we're talking about the Gamanze. Is the title of the king of Ga state, the Ga Dangme people in the southern part of Ghana, with the current king being King Dagi Deigo Tsuru II. The Gamanze serves as the custodian of the Ga stool and president of Ga Traditional Council. The Gamanze is a powerful symbol of Ga identity, heritage, and unity, upholding the value and traditions of the Ga Dangme people. His Royal Majesty King Dagi Deigo Tsuru II, who was installed in May 2020, is the current Gamanze. Gamanze is involved in community development through initiatives like Gamanze Foundation, which focuses on education, health, culture, and empower. Usuke lapho-ke wawuhlangana nomengameli lo wayekade umengameli waseGhana kusuka ngo-2001 ka-2009 umengameli uJohn Kufuor before eqhubekele phambili eye elokhuzeni la ebemenywe khona kwi-University yakhona e-Accra. I-UPSA iyenye yamanyuvasithi ahlonishwayo kakhulu la e-Afrika, so bebecelile ukuthi umengameli Zuma azacobelelana nabo oprofessor bezokhana nosolwazi bezomnotho ibaningi impela kanye nejudeni mayelana nolwazi ngoba lo kanxamala utshengisile ukuthi umkantshubovu kulomkhakha njengoba besayizwe elikhulayo ukuze bacobelelane mayelana nokuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika igcine ikwazile ukungena ku-BRICS. So izinto ezinjalo bebefisa ukuzazi.
Welcome, my brother.
Nizwe.
We were old colleagues from former times, and it seems we are back together like a club of retired presidents. We should congratulate presidents for leading Africa into this association. As I said, we are all yours tomorrow.
As a Vice Chancellor of my university, for some time now we have been conducting research on BRICS, that is Brazil, Russia, India, and then South Africa. That is an emerging bloc in the world. And I have always wished that South Africa would share the success story of BRICS with the rest of Africa. So I had that conversation with Mr. Taylor. Then he promised he can help. So quickly a delegation was sent to you. You received them, and fortunately when they came, they told us that you've accepted to be with us. So we thank God for bringing you safely to Ghana, and hopefully on Tuesday, 19th of August, 4 p.m., Ghana is waiting for you. We'll listen to your delivery to share the success story of South Africa with Ghana and Africa as a whole.
Tuesday is going to be very interesting. You will see UPSA, an institution that was taken. I'm sure you have the old pictures and videos, so you show him where the school was just barely 15, 20 years ago and where it is now. You'll be amazed at the transformation. And it speaks of leadership and vision and what leadership and vision can do.
Ghana has developed so much, and that the Ghanaians are in charge of their country. So it has been absolutely wonderful. So when we got the message that we could come, as we are here now, we're very happy. Very happy, and we believe that we learn a lot. We believe that Africa still has a lot to do to finally liberate itself completely. And I think this kind of coming together is absolutely wonderful. We are happy. I'd like to thank you. we feel at home. You must know we are at home. Particularly when we are now like this. And I'm going to be wearing it in South Africa all the time so that they realize I'm a Ghanaian.
Because you are actually saying we must train you, have guns, know how to shoot and kill. You want, but it was not. It was not like the oppressors who have made us to be something else. These were comrades who said we cannot be ruled by other people in the manner in which they were. They decided to take over their rights, and they are correct. And this, in my view, is a final destination of the Africans. For us to be free, for us to rule the manner in which we want.